Looking for a landmark building located in the heart of Andheri West? Then today we have an exciting video for you.
Welcome to DHC New Homes. It is one-stop solution for all new home buying and investment needs. We are RERA registered advisors. We specialize in serving HNIs, NRIs and new home buyers with our A1 developers top 3 project suggestions according to your requirements. Virtual site visits, give bottom rate, free interior designing consultation, free movers and packers and personalized service. Choose DHC for a seamless and professional experience. All of this with zero brokerage. Call us on given number or visit our website www.dhcnewhomes.com now.
Welcome back to DHC New Homes channel. This is your host Mita, and today we are touring Zee Manubharati by Zee Infra Group at Andheri West. It's a 14-story tower with 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. They provide office spaces at the first, second and third level. Azad Lanes and SV Road Junction, providing 0% stamp duty and registration, 0% increase in the rates for floor rise and possession by the year 2025. For 3 BHK, the price starts from 4.95 CR onwards. The carpet area starts for 2 to 3 BHK starts from 628 to 1168 square feet, and the price for 2 BHK starts from 3.30 CR onwards. Amenities like clubhouse, party area, waste management, rainwater harvesting, swimming pool, community hall, 24 hours water supply are some of the basic amenities provided by the builder. Car parking, CCTV, and many more. Strategically located, close proximity to school, colleges, hospitals, shopping malls, grocery store, restaurants, Zee Manubharti Andheri West is Mumbai, Maharashtra, a complete address. For more details, call us on the given number and don't forget to subscribe DHC New Homes One Stop Solution.